Hello and welcome to a special midday edition of Real Day Trading. I wanted to get this video out to you while the market is still open. And the reason for that is SPY is currently at a key level. See, I even wrote it here, key level. That means it must be key. And that key level is the 200-day moving average, which is at 446.08. Let's call it 446, call it even. You're at the point now where you can't get too bullish until you get confirmation that we have broken through that resistance, even though we had 4 straight days of very bullish price action, more bullish than we've had in years. But you can't get bearish until you see an absolute rejection of that level as well. So here we are, and everyone is looking at the technical analysis and the key levels on SPY. But here's the problem. Right now, we are in an extremely news sensitive environment. I've been saying that for a while, right? But look at the headlines. Look at what we have today. Russian fighter bomber entered the airspace of Poland. Well, that's not good. That's not good at all. Russia tells U.S. ambassador that ties are on the verge of being severed. Also, not good. Increased naval activity in northern Black Sea. Refuses peace treaty from talks with Japan. U.S. secretly sending acquired Soviet weapons to the Ukraine. All of this is pretty scary, right? I mean, holy shit. These are like World War III level headlines. So here's the problem. You can even get a break of the 200 SMA here. One headline's going to send SPY down through the basement. In fact, right now, what is SPY doing right now as I'm talking? Let's take a look. Wow, look at that drop. Look at that drop right there. And it's still dropping and still dropping. What does that tell you? I am, and I've said on Twitter and in other places, bearish at the moment. There are too many reasons why the market can go down, not enough reasons for it to go up. Not enough reasons for it to break the 200 SMA. Does it mean it won't? No, it could all of a sudden Zelensky and Putin meet and have, reach agreement on peace talks. Okay, the market will jump to like 450 on that. But barring any good news, the market's going to drop. So I have taken a number of bearish positions in McDonald's. I took FDX and Microsoft. I still have BABA. I still have Facebook as my bullish positions on the other side. But here's the thing. There is unlimited potential on the puts that are now just straight puts. They're not debit spreads. So even if we drop all the way down, right, those puts are going to soar, and the calls that I have on Facebook and BABA can only go to zero. On the other side, if we bounce, those calls can go all the way up, and the puts can only go to zero. This type of balancing is only possible, right, where you can benefit either way if you get extreme moves. If you don't get extreme moves, then if let's say you drop, then the call's going to zero, offset any profit you get from the puts. And if you go up, then the put's going to zero, offset any profit you get from the calls. It's almost like a strangle, right? So you need kind of extreme moves. So right now I'm betting on those extreme moves because either we break through, and if we do, we are going way up, barring any news, or we don't break through, in which case we are going way down, barring any news. If we have news, then once again, any type of news that's going to move the market that much is going to move it to extremes. So I am playing to the extremes right now on the challenge because right now we are going to go either test support down in the 420 area or we are going to crash right through resistance. Right now, looking at that red bar on SPY, looks like my prediction early on of being bearish is coming to fruition. Okay, that is the quick video for today. Well, for the moment. And if you have time after the market closes, watch more videos, read the damn wiki, and good trading, everyone.